All right, welcome back to another episode of Melman's Mechanical Macabre. Today, it is a little windy and a little chilly, but I've been wanting to get around to show y'all how to install the Ace's killshot if you're running an HEI distributor. Because you can buy the master kit where, you know, it comes with their own fuel pump and their own distributor where the ECU can do timing for you. But if you wanted to save some money and just buy the killshot kit and just run your own HEI that you're already using, then I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. Really, really simple. I mean, I hate wiring. I'm not good at wiring, but even for me, it was like 4 wires and drilling a couple holes for your ECU to mount it, and that was about it. So let me get y'all down here and show you where I have it mounted. Obviously, I'm in an S10 Blazer, so there's not a lot of places. However, I do really enjoy that the ECU is not integrated in with the throttle body itself like Holley's is. And, you know, there's no endorsements here. I'm just giving you my personal opinion on the killshot because it is the only EFI that I have used, and I did read up a lot on it before I bought it. But anyway, so as you can see, it comes with a 5-inch handheld dash. Ignore that, that's my door buzzer. Oh God. But this is your main screen. You got battery volts. You can actually change all of this. You can change your entire gauge setup. It's really cool. You can go in for your tuning. You can change your fuel. You can change how long your fuel pump kicks on when you turn the key on. If you're running their distributor, you can change your spark advance. I mean, you can do literally everything on the handheld alone. You do not need a computer to do any of this. But anyway, that's the killshot. I have it mounted on a just a magnetic phone thing from Walmart. I find it works pretty good. But that's that. I have my ECU mounted in the kick panel. Ignore that. I've got it mounted where the wires are coming out of the bottom, but I'm gonna flip it over and then hide my wires up under here eventually. But I think I'm gonna wait until after I get until after they come out with the fuel level, because in your wiring harness there is a wire, forget what color it is, but all of these say what they are and what they go to. But there is a fuel level wire, and that will go to your fuel sending unit in your stock tank. And they're supposed to be coming out with an update that allows you to have your own fuel gauge. Obviously in mine I have the digital dash behind this, and the only thing that now even turns on is my odometer, and it will now forever say 242,253 miles. It will never move because obviously I don't have the original axles or anything like that. So it'll always say that. My blinkers actually quit working recently. You know, the blinkers still work on the truck, but they just don't. The dash does not show them working anymore. But anyway, allow me to pop this hood and I'll show you how simple this stuff really is. It could not be any simpler. Sit y'all down. All right, so it's a mess. Just ignore that. I have not had time to clean it up or anything. But basically you're gonna have your ground, your 12-volt power. Both of these need to go directly to your battery. Otherwise you could fry your ECU. And it tells you that in the manual to connect it directly to your battery. So those are your first 2 wires. 2 wires, really easy. Put ends on them, connect them. Super simple. Your other wire is going to go, where's it at? Right here. Forget what the name of this one is. Ignition key. So I connected my ignition key to the pink wire. That is the wire that I had connected to the distributor for the 12 volts. That was key on power. I just connected an ignition key to that. Can't talk today. So there's 3 wires. Real simple, you just connect that there. Your 4th wire is going to be your, what was it called? I can't remember if it was V main or, yeah, V main. Your V main is gonna go to the place where you had your ignition for your HEI distributor. Also, I forgot to mention here that you have one more wire to connect as well, and that is going to be your tack in wire, and that is just going to go to the tack side on your distributor. Totally forgot about that, but that is one more wire you have to do. Really easy though. Tack in, not tack out. You can connect a RPM gauge. There is a wire called tack out, and that is what that goes to. But make sure you connect your tack in wire to your distributor. That way the ECU knows what your RPM is. That would be your 4th wire to hook up. Real easy. Everything is labeled. All the wires have these little white things on them. Tells you what it is. Makes it so ungodly easy. You don't have to go through and remember what everything goes to and all that. And then your 5th and final wire is going to be orange, and that is going to be your fuel pump. And another good thing about this is it's black down here because it's not long enough to reach all the way to where I have my fuel pump, but it's going to go to the, oh, I need to tighten that. It's going to go to the, I believe the positives? Yes, the positive side of your fuel pump. And then I've just got it grounded right here. I don't recommend doing it the way I do it because I just did it to get it going. But I have been using killshot for probably about a month now, and I could not be happier about what I purchased. Like, it's insane how well it works. It learns itself. You don't have to do any tuning whatsoever other than just putting in your cubic inches. Here, I'll just show you. So whenever you first turn it on, it's gonna pop up, it's gonna beep at you. And it might show this first. If it doesn't, it will pop up a screen that has all of their options. So like, you have the Killshot, you have the Aces Jackpot, you have the Wild Deuces. They have, those are all different variants for different engines. They have it for the LS, you know. They have it for everything. So obviously you're gonna select Killshot if that's the one you bought, and you're gonna go to Wizards, your Start Wizard. You're gonna hit Killshot because the Classic is different. You're gonna select your cam type. Unless you have, I mean, just an ungodly large cam, I would select mild if you have any cam in it at all. Obviously if it's stock, you just select stock. On your WBOS, that's your wideband O2 sensor. So it's gonna show your AFRs. It only comes with one, so obviously only one. And then right here, if you're running HEI, you need to have coil negative. That's what you need to have it set to. Do not touch this. That's the number of injectors that's in the throttle body, and don't touch that because that is what it's set at from the factory. That is the rating for those injectors. They're 100 pound-an-hour injectors, so don't touch that. And then right here you're going to put your cubic inches of your engine. Mine is 388 because I stroked a 350 that was bored 60 over instead of 30 over, which would have given me a 383. And then you're gonna set your hot idle speed. I've got mine at 900. I believe the stock is 950. I believe that's just what it's set at, is 950. I did 900. It's just what my cam likes. And then it'll show everything. And then all you're gonna do is hit the little check mark right here, but mine's already done, so I'm not gonna do that. And you can change all of this. You're gonna go to monitor, gauge, home setup, and right here is where you can change all of anything and where you want it. I recommend, for those of you that won't have a mile-an-hour gauge or one that doesn't work or whatever, put RPM somewhere on your side, because the middle one, if you click that button right there, it turns it to a mile-per-hour gauge. It is a satellite GPS miles per hour. So that way you have a speedometer if your stock one does not work. This thing's been awesome. And I know I had seen a few people where they were saying that the customer service for Aces is awful and all this, and I've called them I think 3 times and they have been fantastic. One time I messed up and I was trying to get a log off of my handheld, and I did it very incorrectly, and I caused my handheld to not work or turn on anymore. And they were awesome with that. Got that fixed. It was super easy. All I had to do was just put the update on a flash drive, plug it in, turn it on, it fixed. Boom, done. And then I believe the other time I was I don't remember what I had called them previously for. Oh, I had called them because after I had ordered the killshot, it had been several days, it had been almost a week, and it hadn't been shipped yet. So I was just curious, and he was super nice. You know, he was saying, you know, I apologize. It's we had a lot of orders because they had a sale going on where the killshot was only $600. Not sure if it still is. If it is, I'll throw it up, and I'll also have a link to the killshot in the description for you guys to go check it out. Even if you're running in LS, they have, I believe it's the Jackpot that does the LS. But they have like a whole kit. It comes with an intake manifold and a whole bunch of stuff. And I absolutely recommend Aces to anybody who wants to get into swap from carb to EFI. Now, granted, you're not gonna get gas mileage. This thing does not get gas mileage. It's non-existent. 8 on a good day, maybe, and that's pushing it. I would say more like 6. But when you have a big cubic inch engine with a truck that's lifted like a total of 12 inches on 35s, what are you gonna do? You can't expect to get good gas mileage. But I just wanted to show you guys how really simple and easy this is. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will be happy to relay any information that I have learned. And I will also show you, well, in another video, I'll show you how to update it, because sometimes it can be funky on how to do it. But that is all I really wanted to show you for this video, and I am going to start making more videos because I found my GoPro. Well, my mother-in-law found my GoPro, so thank God. It'd be a lot easier to move my videos back to my computer and actually upload them. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Please leave a like, comment, give me a sub. It really helps me out and helps me keep making videos. And like I said, y'all have any questions, please put them in the comments. And we will see you guys in another video. But for now, my name's Melman. This is Beast. We'll see you next time.